good. In this video, I will be showing you how to put multiple photos in one frame on Canva. The first thing you want to do once on Canva, you can select the platform that you would like to create for. So let's say, for example, we are creating an Instagram post. After selecting the social media or the platform that you're creating this template for, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and from there I want you to tap on elements. After selecting elements, you're going to tap on the search bar and you're going to type in multiple picture frame. After you have done that, you can see frames right here. You're going to tap on see all, and you can see there are numerous different frame styles that you can choose from. Now let's say, for example, I would like to use this one. All I would need to do is simply drag and place it. Then after doing that, you can see that you cannot set it as the background, as you can see right there. So what I would recommend you do is simply pull on the end of it, as you can see right here, and you're going to pull on the end of it, and then you're going to decrease the size of the page. So on the slider in the bottom right hand corner where you see 45%, you're going to pull it to the left. Then after doing that, you're going to pull on the end of the photo frame right here. And let's say, for example, you would like 9 slots, so you're going to be adding 9 different photos. You can see how it looks right there. After you have done that, you can pull along the slider once more to the right to increase the size, so you can see how it looks right there. After doing this, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on uploads, and then from here you can select the photos that you would like to add, and you can simply drag and place them, as you can see right there. It is as easy and straightforward as that. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.